The information here we have. Read someone.
So the question says
Someone can
that
read.
on an average a certain computer part lasts for 10 years. The length of time the computer part lasts approximately follow exponential distribution. What is the probability that a computer part lasts more than 7 years given that it is functioning at the end of third year?
Right. Well, so what did you observe here from this question? A specific computer part lifespan approximately follow an exponential distribution, right?
Yes, sir.
So then what would be the random variable that can represent this information? Can you
For
consider the random
exponential
variable?
distribution, it is lambda
Let
e power.
something like the random variable capital X, what it denotes the simple life of a certain life in years. Life in years of a certain type of computer part. You agree? And which follows approximately exponential distribution. Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
Is it difficult to identify this point?
No, no, sir. I had a confusion.
First point, I'm just asking.
No,
first
no.
point. Is it difficult?
No,
No. Okay. Next, let me move. So means that the average now exponential. What is the average of exponential distribution? You know that the mean of exponential distribution is, say, something like, what is the mean?
So
1
10
by
years.
lambda. Okay,
Sorry?
there.
So mean should be
Mean
10
of
years.
Okay, that is given. What is the notation that we use? Formula
mu or 1
for
by
the mean of
lambda.
exponential. Sorry? Someone said 1 by
1 by
lambda. Okay, that I may denote as beta, something like beta right now is 10 years, right?
Yes, sir.
Well, so beta, we know that the mean of exponential distribution is beta, but that is given as 10 years, right? Now, what we need to find is what is the probability that a computer lasts for more than 7 years? Means that probability of X. What is this X basically denotes? A computer is surviving or functioning more than 7 years, given that it is functioning at the end of third year. Understood? Is it the symbolic representation? My dear students,
Yes, sir.
is it quite
So they're
simple?
asking the conditional probability, sir, over here.
That's all, no?
Okay. I got
So
confused
actually,
over
the very simple. The idea is you are using a particular computer. Let us imagine your own laptop. the company designed that it is last for 10 years. So 3 years of usage, at the end of third year, you come to know that it is working. Now, what would be the probability that it can work for more than 7 years, given that it is already under usage at the end of third year? So it is conditionally you are going to find out its probability, right? Conditional information is available or not? Now, this we want to calculate, but in order to calculate, what is the exponential distribution? Exponential distribution is given by, say, the f comma beta, which is equal to 1 over beta e to the power minus x by beta, isn't it? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Now, as we want this probability, by the definition, this can be written as probability of A given B formula. What is the formula for probability of A given B? X greater than 7, comma, that is P of A comma B, right? X greater than 3 whole divided by P of X greater than 3. Now, what would be the numerator? X greater than 7 and x greater than 3. What is the common region for x?
Sir, between 3 and 7.
X greater than 7, 7 above. X
Yes, sir.
3 above. What is the
Ignorance.
common region? Huh? Is it between
Sir,
3 and
4
7?
to infinity.
Sorry?
Sir,
X
sir,
takes
sir,
the
from
So
7 to
it's greater
infinity.
than 7. It's greater than
greater
7.
than 7. Who said greater than 7? Who said greater than 7?
Aman.
Hello. Aman. Right answer, Aman. Very simple. X assuming 7 to infinity, the condition one. Another one, X assumes 3 to infinity, another condition. The reason is a common region. So what is the common region that I can consider? X is greater than 7, right? Isn't it? Therefore, this I am neglecting. X is greater than 7 and x is greater than 3. Now, the numerator part, it is 1 over beta e raised to minus x by beta. Integral. What is the lower limit for this? 7 to infinity. 7 to infinity. 1 by beta, as beta is 10. 1 by 10. So e to the power minus x by 10 dx. This is the numerator part. What is the denominator part? This goes from 3 to infinity, 1 over 10 e to the. Now 1 by 10 gets cancelled, so I can neglect this term. Now this is e to the power minus x by 10. This is e to the power minus x by 10. After integrating, Again, the scalar component will get cancelled. The numerator e to the power minus infinity will be 0, and then minus of minus plus e to the power minus 7 by 10, right? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Is it something like e to the power minus 7 by 10 divided by e to the power minus 3 by 10? Hello?
Yes, sir.
So you'll get appropriate
Yes, sir.
proportion value if you use calci. Huh? Right?
Yes, sir.
Is the problem is a difficult one now? Actually, I'm elaborately explaining here. That's the reason it has taken 5 or 6 minutes of time. Isn't it? Keep typing and doing a lot of things. Right? Any other question you have doubt on the this one?
Excuse me,
Yes,
sir.
yes, sir. Yeah, please.
So in the other set, you gave us the question regarding the mileage one.
Sorry?
In the other set, you gave the question of the mileage where the data was around 5 kilometers in the end, and the 25,000 and the 15,000. So can you check it once?
For a certain type of charges of battery normally
No,
distributed
sir.
mean hours.
No, sir, not this one. The
Suppose
same
that
question.
heat pump
the
is
same question
randomly having gamma distributed. The mileage that which
Yes, sir.
car wants get certain kind of
Yes, sir.
radial tire is a random variable having an exponential distribution with 25,000 kilometer. Huh. Huh. Okay. So 25, say something like beta is 25 now.
Yes, sir.
Then
So
find the probability that one of these tires will last more than 15,000 kilometers. That means probability of x is greater than 15, given that it is surviving at the end of 5 kilometers. Same thing, right?
but
X is greater
that is
than.
15,000. So x should be greater than 15,000.
So what is wrong in that? If x is greater than 25, this 15.
Okay, sir.
Hello?
Okay, sir.
Huh?
Okay,
So
sir.
don't
Got
you
it.
feel there's some problem with the language of the question? Like it's a bit confusing.
Yes, sir.
This is the usual language if you refer any standard book.
And sir, also in the last
where you
statement,
got
it's
confused? Where
comparing
you got confused?
15,000
See.
kilometers with 5 kilometers, so it got us confused.
Sorry?
So in the last statement, it's comparing 15,000 kilometers with 5 kilometers. So like we were confused. Okay, it so much of difference.
Okay, let it be. The thing is, see, if the numbers is high, if I'm giving actually in thousands, I made it 25,000 in word phrase. The reason is you are not going to use 25 then comma 3 zeros, isn't it? If you are going to use that, then it is going to be a big expression in terms of what is that digits, I mean to say. Okay, so to avoid that, it is given like this. And this makes actually simple rather than 25 comma triple zeros and then here 15 triple zeros. Very simple. This is the same. Now p of x is greater than 15 given x is greater than 5. Almost double of these two terms, right? 7 into 2 14 plus 1, 3 into 2 6 approximately 6 minus 1, right? This is 15 and this is 5 is given. The next question, nothing else, right? Hello?
Sir, I think it's given 15,000 and 5.
5,000. It's not 5,000 kilometers. Okay. 5 kilometers is given.
In the question, it's given 15,000. Yeah.
Okay. So here maybe 1,000 is missed. Okay, let it be. Anyhow, you may be using thousands there, and here is the number 5, right? Got it? What will happen here if you are using thousands? So e to the power 15,000 minus 15,000 approximately. Hello? Understood? Hello? Actually, as you now recognizing that 1,000 is missed, okay, let it be. So we understood that it is not having any typo error. Let it be. It is then in that case you are going to use 25, 000 and here 15, 000. It is just e to the power something like minus x by beta e to the power minus ax form only, right? Integration. Remaining everything is in scalar only, right? A is in scalar, whether it is 25,000 or the number 5 or whatever it may be. Hello? Why do we need to get confused? Hello? Am I made it clear? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Any response from
Sir,
your end? Okay. Yeah.
Sir, I had a doubt.
Yeah.
So in the same question, when it says that that the parts will be like definitely functioning for the first 3 years. So can we say that for p x x greater than x smaller than or equal to 3, it would be 1?
Remember, you are using laptop, right?
Yes, sir.
Or your mobile phone, right?
Yes, sir.
So company is giving some warranty period. Let us imagine. Say they may define that 3 years of warranty period, right?
Yes, sir.
So do you think that it is going to last exactly when the timeline reaches? When it is going, whether it is going to fail exactly when the stipulated time is reaches?
No, sir.
No, right? So here the meaning is at the end of 3rd year it is functioning. So it can fail after 3 years at any point of the time that we do not know whether it is going to survive another 5 years or another 10 years or another even more than that. We do not know, right?
Sir, I was talking about for x smaller than or equal to 3. Can we say that it would be 1 for p
You
x
cannot
is
say
1?
right. You cannot say right now, because it is a known fact. When there is an uncertainty, then probability comes into picture. At the end of 3rd year, it is working means last 3 years it is worked. What does it mean? Is there any uncertainty there?
No, sir.
When there is no uncertainty, why probability is coming into picture there? That is
Okay.
deterministic value, right?
Yes,
The
sir.
past is known, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
But if you are not knowing that, say that its surviving probability will be something like below 3 years is something like 0.2 or 0.8 proportionately. If you are knowing, then again probability coming into picture. Certainly you are knowing that it is functioning at the end of third year. The information is certain there, that is working. Then after 3 years, when it is going to last, you do not know and I do not know and no one knows. Uncertainty is there, right?
Yes, sir.
So when uncertainty coming into picture, probability aspects will play an important role in estimating the required probabilities. Okay, certain population, certain parameters.
So couldn't we do it this way that like can't we write so one minus probability of x is between 3 and 7?
The numerator, you mean to say, or the whole thing?
No, sir. Yes, sir. I'm talking about the whole thing.
whole thing. If you are going to write probability of this x between 3 and 7, okay, then what's the question, you know? Now you go back to the question. So what is the probability that the component or a path surviving between 3 and 7 years? So you don't have the information that it is working at the end of 7 year, sorry, at the end of 3rd year, right?
Yes, sir.
Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
But here we have the information that it is working at the end of the 3rd year. Understood?
Yes, sir.
So that is the condition actually. When that condition is known, so it is going to coming under conditional probability. It is a very simple. Rather than straight away using the word use conditional probability, what is the conditional probability? Instead of I just removed the word conditional, let me see that how many of you would understand this. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Huh? I made it clear now at least.
Yes, sir.
You all understood? Right? Still any more doubts? Hello? If everything is clear, my dear students, at this BTech level, we need not think beyond. Understood? If everything is clear, we need not give any attention to our mind to think little bit out of the box. So the question paper is designed of at least 1 or 2 questions, not the every question, so that your mind can think little bit out of the box. It is not far away to the box, at least in the neighborhood of the box you're supposed to think in the neighborhood of the box at least. Understood what I said?
Yes, sir.
Hello? Okay.
So,
So
so
if-
are these kind of problems available in the statistics for engineers and probability for statistics and probability for engineers book also?
Yes,
of the
I
same
gave
level.
you one question even. I gave you one question even in the uploaded material. I do not know whether you read that, gone through the material or not. I uploaded one handwritten material, right? Can you read someone question? The time in hours required to repair a machine is exponentially distributed with parameters some lambda is of. What is the probability that the repair time exceeds 2 hours? What is the conditional probability that the repair time at least takes at least 11 hours given that its duration exceeds 8 hours? Now what happened? This word I discarded. Let me see that how many of you would recognize that this is hello? My dear students.
Yes, sir.
Is there such question in the uploaded material as well?
Yes, sir.
Then if you referred this question, hopefully you would get the idea, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So the idea is, it is given here, the second part of that. Probability of x is greater than 11 hours. So repair time exceeds 11 hours, given that it is already exceeded 8 hours. Say you are going to the barber's salon for haircut, remember. So there are 3 or 4 persons in the queue, and you may ask the the saloon guy who is operating that how much time it may take. The fellow may says that it may take approximately 11 minutes. You are already in the queue 8 or more minutes, then you are trying to estimate what would be the probability that you are standing in the, or your turn may comes with this probability, right? If the probability is higher, then you will stay in the queue. If the probability is as much as lower, so you can leave the queue and you can go and left the, that particular saloon. Understood? Hello?
Yes, sir.
You can imagine the question can be, you can imagine on your own way so that you can easily understand the content. Whether all of you are clear on the sums, CAD sums? At least 1 or 2 questions seems to be little bit interest, so that you can, I feel that you are feeling, some interesting is there. That's the reason you are asking. So in that way, the way I designed the question paper really meeting the objective. Not that everyone should not score the mark. Everyone has to score the mark. At the same time, you all should think about the questions. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Any difficulty now? Of course, here you can, if you want to find out probability of x greater than or equal to 11, you can also use the complement condition 1 minus p of x less than 11, and the denominator 1 minus p of x less than 8 also. Okay. If you don't want to go from 11 to infinity, you can take from 1 minus 0 to 11. Here 1 minus 0 to integral 0 to 8 also. Right? Any other queries?
Sir, actually, the question about this conditional probability that you just discussed. So I was asking that, sir, if since the question asks that what is the probability of a part surviving for more than 7 years, right? So so can't we write P for x is greater than 7 as equal to 1 minus P is P for x is smaller than or equal to 7, which will be equal to 1 minus P for x is smaller than or equal to 3 minus
Can
P
you put
for.
it in chat box? What is the expression you have?
Yes, sir. So
Just drop it in the chat box, so I'll see that. It is a very clear statement. Hope you understood what I said. Still, if there are any different ways you are trying to answer, let me see that whether that is correct or not. Whether you added the chat box Anmol?
yes, I am adding.
P of x greater than 7. One thing is that P of x greater than 7 is equal to 1 minus P of x less than 7. Okay. How this is equal to 1 minus P of x less than 3 and so on, my dear Anmol?
So
1
while
minus
evaluating
p of x less than 3. See that here you are trying. So this is x greater than 7. So 7 to infinity, this is, remember. What is the domain here?
the 7
Which
to
I
infinity.
highlighted from your chart box, 7 to infinity, remember. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now the next expression what you gave, this is total probability means minus infinity to plus infinity. This is okay.
Yes, sir.
One is indicates from minus infinity to plus infinity. From that, how much you are neglecting?
So for x is
Remember.
less than equal to 3, and so x is between 3 and 7.
So x less than 3 means
So minus
x less
infinity
than
to
3
3.
means. So you are trying to subtract from minus infinity to 3, right?
Yes, sir.
So then what is the probability it is there here?
So it is 3 to infinity.
3 to infinity. Then minus.
So minus for probability for x between 3 to 3 to 7, which is
That means
and
you
this
are
is ratio
trying to
7.
subtract again from 3 to 7. Then what it result? 7 to infinity, right?
Yes, sir.
Isn't it?
Yes, sir. And so then
Uh,
finally,
Then again here you are trying to consider, say, minus infinity to plus infinity. This is 1. Isn't
yes,
it?
sir. Yes, sir.
From that you are trying to subtract 3 to 7. Then what else is there? Minus infinity to 3 is there and 7 to infinity is there. How this rightmost expression is equal to this? The total expression, all 4 equalities, is not balancing. Understood?
Yes, sir.
So it is wrong. In simple logic, I did not solve anything here. Understood?
Yes, sir.
So, but here the question is, it is asked that above 7 years, it lost more than 7 years. Condition that, what is the condition that given that it is already lasting or functioning at the end of 3rd year? Then that condition we need to use, but you know where the condition is used. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Understood now?
Yes, sir.
I already said, if you are following this uploaded material is almost much enough for you to appear for this examination, something like that, right? It's the same question, but only the content is slightly different. The same question only. This part 1 is not included, only part 2 is included. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Clear? All of you clear on this point? Any more doubts? Mudit, you have any doubt? Mudit Jain?
No, sir.
No. Okay. Devendra Kumar, any doubts?
No, sir.
No. Okay. Then thank you all. In the next session, at least we can start the 5th module. The 5th module is going to be on testing of hypothesis, particularly a large sample test. The 6th module is on small sample tests. Okay. Then 7th module is on reliability. So 3 modules we have. Okay.
Excuse me, sir.
Someone who is speaking?
Samudit.
Mudit, tell me, Mudit.
Yeah, sir. And the DA, theory DA, it was mentioning what is the due date of the theory DA? Is it 10th June?
So yeah, all the due dates already given on the question files. Follow the due dates given on the
Sir,
question files. For
the
lab
last
1, 2,
question of
3,
the DA.
lab 1, lab 2, lab 3, you people have requested, okay, the due date is given up to 9th, I think so, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So,
but the last 2 questions of the DA was
Huh.
about the level of significance.
What is the last date for theory DA?
So it is 10th June.
10th June.
Yes,
So
sir.
3 more days are there, and the last question is related to, in my opinion, testing of hypothesis. So
Sir, last
if
2.
Yeah, testing of hypothesis, last two questions. That is on 5th module.
Yes, sir. Last.
Yeah, 5th module, today, tomorrow, and day after tomorrow, if we discuss. But somehow today we missed to discuss. Okay. Because as I'm clarifying your doubts. Understood? Hopefully this topic may complete. Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir.
So tomorrow, 8th, right? And day after tomorrow, 9th, right? Tomorrow and day after tomorrow, we have 2 classes, right? Hello.
Yes, sir.
So we can finish out the topics related to the question 4 and question 5 by tomorrow and by day after tomorrow. Huh? Okay. So still one more day is in our hand to answer question 4 and question 5. And before that, what we can do is question 1, 2, 3, you complete your answers. Okay. And let me answer the 4 and 5 after completing the topics on 4 and 5. Okay. Is it fine?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Any other doubt? Hello?
No, sir.
Okay, thank you all. All the
Thank you,
best.
sir.
All the
Thank you, sir.
best.